I'm going to be reviewing this sound machine. I absolutely love this sound machine. I've had it for 2.5 years, used for both my kids. It lived in our diaper bag. It's so small. You can hook it anywhere, so it's great to travel with. It has 3 different settings. It has a soft white noise, kind of like a water, ocean, surf sound, and another white noise. Volume goes up and down. It gets pretty loud, and it comes with a charger. The charge stays for a really long time. Even after a couple years, I've never had an issue with it dying. Overall, this is a great portable sound machine.